Today, we will talk about how to start an Amazon FBA business with little money. Let's have a look at the details. An Amazon FBA business is a setup where you, as the seller, get to choose what product you want to sell, find a supplier, order the products, package, and ship. Everything is housed in one of Amazon's many fulfillment centers, and then they take care of the rest. The FBA business model is a pretty enticing one, especially when explained in great detail. The first step is to pick your first product. Not to put too much pressure on you, but choosing the right product to start with will make or break your business. Brainstorm your passions and pick a niche market. If you're already running a blog or have a strong social media following, these web presences can help you figure out your niche. Do market research. Once you've picked something you're interested in, start doing some preliminary market research, then dive a little or a lot deeper. Once you've narrowed down your choice to a few products, or perhaps even a product category, you can use Amazon's resources to help you figure out the FBA fees associated with a product. These fees vary depending on your product size, shape, and weight, among other factors. Avoid competing with brand names or super well-established products. Flip clearance items or bulk items from retail stores. The second step is source your new product. This step is almost as time-consuming as picking the product. Find a supplier. Since cost will drive where and how you supply your product, it's a good idea to consider sourcing your product from outside the US. Ship your product. Figuring out how to source your product will also involve considering if you can afford to source your products by boat, by air, or train. And the third step is market the hell out of your product. While having it listed on Amazon is already going to give it a fair amount of traffic, there are still several things to keep in mind when crafting your product's description and marketing your product. Optimize your product description. I'm sure your product is awesome, otherwise, you wouldn't have selected it. But you need to make sure your audience knows why it's so awesome, and you can do that through clear, compelling copy and great pictures of your product. Find easy ways to advertise. Once you've got that awesome product listing, it's important to look into advertising, and a great low-cost option is using a pay-per-clicks program, which can also help you gain a broader audience. Gather lots of product reviews. One of the best ways to market a product is by letting the product market itself through great product reviews. Don't immediately launch a brand new website or blog. If you're already a blogger, then content marketing will probably fit pretty easily into your marketing plans. But if you're not a blogger or a social media guru, starting a content marketing campaign won't necessarily give you the immediate returns you're looking for compared to other marketing campaigns. Creating a website or blog for your brand or your listings is really something to consider once you begin to see your product be snapped up by the masses. Once everything's all set up and you start seeing your product flying off Amazon's fulfillment center shelves, you may want to think about hiring a virtual assistant to help you grow your business even more or research products so your business can reach an even bigger audience. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.